Philippines earthquake was a deep sea earthquake. This is the earthquake which had a magnitude of 7.2 in the Richter scale. Animals behaving strangely. In this case, you can see they are unusually for that area moving a line. Then this earthquake happened. Different sources have mentioned different magnitudes. 7.6 is the one that is mostly quoted. And it was 20 miles or around 35 kilometers deep within the earth crust. And as it happened, people were trying to save their life. And if they were outdoors, they just escaped. The safest thing usually is just to go under a table or door frame or under stairs or something. It is at the collision zone of the Philippine oceanic plate with the Eurasian plate. This is part of the Ring of Fire. When these two plates subduct, one of them subducting on the other one, it creates earthquakes and can create potentially tsunamis. When divers are present at that time, this is the effect of it. Listen. And this is one of the few cases that actually we have been able to see this subduction happening and the effect of it on the divers within the ocean on real time that was recorded.